Tipra Idol Season 1.
Are you ready? And the result is Mehli Tipra on the stage, please. Ingkay, ang tabuk, nungin na hartinay, sinibus kango, MDC, Uma Shankar, sinibus kango, sini bukuk Mehelino, sini shokap no, yafar na bagi, bukuk Meheli, bo 6th position no, sing by Baksake, competition round no. Grand finale 6th position for Tiger. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Meheli on the 6th position. Sing Jota Yapa Korlane, please. Man kai sing Chivichir Korlane. Boni Logio. Boni check. Boni check Yapar Zangai. Boni check go Yapar Zangai. 5,000 rupees. Check. Thank you so much, Meheli, for that wonderful competition put forward in grand finale. Next, 5th position. Are you ready? Paitongo, Nornibuskango. Contestants, are you ready? 5th position of Paika, Bukuk, Ishita, Tipra. Thank you. Sunzota Yapakolen, please. And Bono Yaparna Bagay, Beni Sokano Yaparna Bagay, Ang Numina Hanai, MLA Pathanlal Jamatia on the stage. Singjoto Yapakolen, please. Boni Bagay. Takok tay bukuk song. On the 4th position, Belaike Wansungmani Yagulo, Belaike task competition Yagulo, 4th position of Sopaka, tie. Semi-finale wo Khoroktam tie rakha. Khoroktam equal marks be bar phaka. But finale wo Khorok nei 4th round of Sopaka. So let me announce the names. Priya Chamata on the stage, please. Next, may I call upon Basran Tipra on the stage, please. May I now call upon the Chief Legal Advisor, Dr. Mohan Jamatia on the stage, please. And CEO of TTAADC, CK Jamatia on the stage, please, sir. Borok Ngai, Sini, 4th position of Sopaka. Borok Kanini Bisingo, Soman numbers, Mama Bagay, Borok Tayo Sopaka. Singjoto Yapakolen Nida Bon Bagay, please. ni buskango announce kana nai dongo. The second runners up. Second runners up mane third position of ni jago. Boni bong nang tabok no ni buskango announce kana nai. Let me call upon Miss Sushmita Devarma on the stage. Second runners up. May I now call upon the EM of TTAADC ICA department, Suhail Devarma on the stage, please. Dai, Bonnie, check amount of rupees 25,000 along with a guitar. Balai ka hambai? Look like oi, tell us I know thang pinai. Sini, first runners up. Oh, Bukuk Sushmita. Bukuk Sushmita nini trophies. Bos kango ya parzakan. Sini EM ICA department and sports ni besim dikai. Suhail Devarma. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome the first runners-up of tonight's event and a very tough competition. To the winner is Sabo Saidaman. Ready? Sabo. Baksani tik panang mano. Baksani enya panang mano. But sing joto ya pakhor le nai joto chir khong le nai. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rahel Kalo on the stage, please. This is the first runners-up. Rahel Kalo on the stage. Bono ya phana bage ang koi nai. Sini TTAADC ni ngai EM Fishery Rajesh Tipra. Balai ka hambai? Kaisa trophy. Logi wo 50,000 rupees check amount. 50,000 rupees. Boni logi wo kaisa guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first runners-up. Check amount 2 rupees, 50,000. Ang tabuk sini final winner. No announced final na ito. And now, that final round. The final round is Rupesh Devarma on the stage, please. The winner of TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season 1. One lakh rupees amount of check and a scooty. Sengjoto ya pakhorlan ni Navin bagay. And this is history from today on. Second edition ni bagay. Takot ay bohsong. Joto ready na tong. Tipra Idol Season 2. There was an high. Pioneer Halo. Seng tu by Pinay.